Hey guys, this is an update on this bureau that we have here. Love this thing. It's done a great job at managing and keeping everything together for our son. 3 drawers on the top are a little bit smaller, so we just keep everything in here. We've actually put this together by age, so we've got the newborn, the 1 month, the 2 month, and so forth. So we have enough space in all of these drawers for him here. And then on the bottom, we have blankets and other items that we need for him. And you can put a lot of stuff in here. These blankets are really thick. So these drawers are deep and you can hold a lot. These are fabric drawers that have a handle that you screw in here and it sticks right on. And the appearance is really nice. On the bottom, you have the little feet that you can screw up and screw down to lower and raise the bureau. And then on top, you have that solid wood piece that's very easy to clean off and dust off. But it gives a nice clean appearance, definitely worth it, and it's keeping everything right where we need it to be. So definitely recommend this for in your home.